Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some exciting news. I'm making a course on how to overhand serve and it's going to be available for all of you guys. Now I have a lot of videos on my channel teaching you guys how to serve a volleyball. However, I thought it would be a great idea to make a detailed course on each and every little step about how to overhand serve. I know a lot of you guys are going to be trying out for your volleyball team soon, and a lot of you guys are already on your team, but it's never not a great time for you to learn a little bit more about how to overhand serve. I've been serving a volleyball for over 11 years now, and I've learned a lot of different things and tips and tricks from other players, myself, and coaches that could be really applicable to you. So in this course, it will highlight how to overhand serve, how to figure out your toss, how to figure out that wrist snapping motion, if you're thinking about a float serve, if you're thinking about just doing a standard serve. So this course will be available on June 8th, 2019. So check the description box below for more information, and I hope to see you guys in class.